Life can be challenging. We all face difficulties. Sometimes it feels like the weight of the world is on our shoulders, and the path ahead seems uncertain and daunting. We encounter obstacles that test our resilience and moments that make us question our strength. But amidst the struggles, there's a simple yet powerful practice: gratitude. Gratitude is a shift. It's a gentle reminder that even in the darkest times, there are sparks of light. It's about recognizing the small victories, the fleeting moments of joy, and the simple pleasures that often go unnoticed. It's moving from focusing on what we lack to appreciating what we have. This shift in perspective can transform our outlook on life. Instead of dwelling on our shortcomings, we start to see the beauty in our everyday experiences. We begin to value the relationships that bring us comfort and the experiences that shape our journey. This shift in perspective unlocks joy. It allows us to find happiness in the present moment, rather than waiting for some future event to bring us fulfillment. Joy becomes a part of our daily lives, woven into the fabric of our existence. It opens our hearts to the abundance around us. We start to notice the beauty in nature, the kindness in others, and the opportunities that come our way. Our hearts become more receptive to the positive energies that surround us. Gratitude is a gift we give ourselves. It's a practice that nurtures our soul and enriches our spirit. By acknowledging the good in our lives, we cultivate a sense of contentment and peace. It's a conscious choice to notice and appreciate the good. Every day, we have the opportunity to focus on the positive aspects of our lives. Whether it's the warmth of the sun on our skin, the laughter of a loved one, or the satisfaction of a job well done, these moments of gratitude add up. When we embrace gratitude, we embrace a life filled with more happiness, peace, and fulfillment. Our relationships deepen, our stress levels decrease, and our overall well-being improves. Gratitude becomes a guiding light, leading us towards a more meaningful and joyful existence. It's time to unlock the power within. By making gratitude a daily practice, we can transform our lives in profound ways. We can shift our focus from what's missing to what's present, from scarcity to abundance. It's time to embrace gratitude. Let's start today by acknowledging the blessings in our lives and expressing our thanks. In doing so, we open the door to a life filled with joy, peace, and fulfillment.
Science confirms the power of gratitude. Studies show that practicing gratitude has profound effects on our well-being. It reduces stress and anxiety. It improves sleep. Gratitude even strengthens our immune system. When we focus on what we're grateful for, our brains release dopamine and serotonin. These are the feel-good chemicals. They lift our mood and create a sense of well-being. The benefits are not just mental. Gratitude has been linked to lower blood pressure and a healthier heart. Simply being thankful is a gift to your mind and body. Embrace gratitude. Embrace a healthier you. Gratitude is a journey. It's a conscious decision to shift our perspective, to move from a place of lack to a place of abundance. This shift can be transformative. It can enhance our resilience. We learn to face challenges with more strength and optimism. Gratitude helps us find the silver lining. Even in difficult times, there's always something to be grateful for. This realization can be incredibly empowering. It reminds us that we have the strength to overcome any obstacle. Gratitude is a journey towards a more joyful and fulfilling life. Starting a gratitude journal is simple. It's a practice that can transform your perspective and bring more positivity into your life. By taking a few moments each day to reflect on what you're thankful for, you can cultivate a habit of gratitude that has lasting benefits. It's a powerful tool for cultivating gratitude. This simple act can help you focus on the positive aspects of your life, even on challenging days. It can improve your mood, increase your resilience, and enhance your overall well-being. Here's how to begin. First, choose your journal. The journal you select is important because it will be your companion on this journey. It should be something that you feel drawn to and excited to use. Find a journal that speaks to you. Whether it's the design, the feel of the pages, or the size, make sure it resonates with you. This will make the process more enjoyable and something you look forward to each day. It can be a simple notebook or something more elaborate. The key is that it feels right for you. Some people prefer a plain, minimalist notebook, while others might choose a decorative journal with inspiring quotes or beautiful artwork. The important thing is that you love it. Next, set aside time. Consistency is crucial in building any new habit, and journaling is no different. Dedicate 5 to 10 minutes each day. Find a time that works best for you, whether it's in the morning to start your day on a positive note or in the evening to reflect on the day's events. Make it a part of your routine. Integrating journaling into your daily schedule will help you stick with it. You might pair it with another daily activity like having your morning coffee or winding down before bed. Morning or evening works best for most people. Then, write 3 things. This is the heart of your gratitude practice. Think of 3 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big or profound. It could be something as simple as a delicious meal you had, a kind gesture from a friend, or a moment of peace in your day. Write them down in your journal. Be specific. Instead of just writing, "I'm grateful for my family," you might write, "I'm grateful for the laughter I shared with my family at dinner tonight." Specificity helps you relive the positive experience and deepen your sense of gratitude. Finally, reflect and savor. Take a moment to reflect on why you're grateful for each thing. This reflection helps you internalize the positive feelings and reinforces the habit of looking for the good in your life. Let the feeling of gratitude wash over you. Allow yourself to fully experience the warmth and joy that comes from recognizing the good in your life. This practice can be a powerful way to shift your mindset and bring more positivity into your daily routine. Section 5. Making gratitude a habit. Consistency is key. Here are some tips to make gratitude journaling a habit. First, integrate gratitude journaling into your daily routine. Choose a specific time and place that works for you. Second, don't be afraid to miss a day. Life happens. If you forget, simply pick up where you left off. No judgment. And third, review your past entries regularly. Notice how your perspective has shifted. Celebrate your growth and the power of gratitude. Section 6. Real people, real transformations. Countless people have experienced the transformative power of gratitude. Here are some real-life stories.
Since starting my gratitude journal, I feel less stressed. I sleep better. I'm much happier. Sarah J.
Gratitude has changed my outlook on life. I'm more optimistic and resilient. Challenges seem less daunting. John D.
These stories are a testament to the power of gratitude. It's accessible to everyone, and the benefits are profound. Section 7. Overcoming the challenges of gratitude. Starting a new habit can be challenging. Whether it's beginning a gratitude journal or incorporating a new practice into your daily routine, the initial steps can often feel daunting. You might face some roadblocks. These obstacles can come in many forms, and it's important to recognize them so you can address them effectively. 1. Lack of time. In our fast-paced lives, finding even a few minutes to sit down and reflect can seem impossible. We're all busy, but remember, just 5 minutes can make a difference. Carving out a small window in your day can have a profound impact on your mindset and overall well-being. Prioritize yourself and your well-being. 2. Negativity bias. Our brains are naturally inclined to focus on negative experiences and thoughts, often overshadowing the positive moments. Our brains are wired to focus on the negative, but we can rewire them with conscious effort. Focus on the good. By intentionally directing our attention to positive experiences, we can gradually shift our mindset. 3. Forgetting to write. It's easy to forget to maintain a new habit, especially when life gets busy. Set reminders on your phone. Keep your journal visible. These small actions can serve as gentle nudges to keep you on track. Make it easy to remember. Place sticky notes around your home or workspace, or set alarms to remind you to take a moment for gratitude. Remember, challenges are opportunities for growth. Each obstacle you overcome strengthens your resilience and commitment to your practice. Don't give up on the power of gratitude. Embrace the journey and let the practice of gratitude transform your life, one step at a time. Section 8. Gratitude, a lifelong journey of abundance. Gratitude is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. As you practice gratitude consistently, you'll notice a shift in your mindset. You'll naturally focus more on the positive. You'll appreciate the little things. This shift in perspective leads to a more abundant life. You'll find joy in everyday moments. You'll attract more positivity into your life. The more you cultivate gratitude, the more you'll experience its transformative power. Gratitude is a gift that keeps on giving. Section 9, beyond the journal, spreading gratitude every day. Gratitude extends beyond our journals. Here are ways to incorporate it into your daily life. 1. Express gratitude to others. Tell someone you appreciate them. A simple thank you can make someone's day. 2. Practice gratitude in the moment. Notice the beauty around you. Savor a delicious meal. Appreciate the little things. 3. Use affirmations. Start and end your day with gratitude affirmations. Rewire your subconscious mind for positivity. Section 10. Start your gratitude journey today. Gratitude is a simple yet powerful practice. It's accessible to everyone, and the benefits are profound. Start your gratitude journey today. Embrace the power of gratitude. Unlock a life of joy, peace, and fulfillment. You deserve it.